to turn this layer off and click on the background layer. I'm going to do a Command J to duplicate that layer. Turn off the background layer so you can see what's going to happen. On the background copy layer, click on the Properties panel. If you don't have it open, go to Windows, Properties. Click on the Remove Background button. Let's watch what happens. Look at that. Photoshop added a mask. Wherever the mask is black, conceals the photo. Wherever the mask is white, reveals the photo. If it took too much away, you could always get a hard round brush with the white in the foreground color and paint that part in again. See how useful a mask can be? If it gives too much, you can use the black in the foreground color to conceal the image. Now, the cool thing about Photoshop is you can make a selection on one layer and then use that selection on a different layer. And that's what we're going to do. I'll turn on the new photo and I'll drag this mask onto that new photo. And now the image is inside of the person. Now, I think that this photo might be too bright. So if I bring the opacity down just a little bit more, we can still see the person skiing, and we can see this person here too. Now, if we really want to get technical about it, we can click on the mask, get a soft round brush with black in the foreground color, take the opacity down, and then we could brush the top where his head is to make it a little bit darker up here, and we can see the head better. Now I want to add in the words to make this look like an advertisement. I'm going to export this as a PNG, File, Export, Quick Export as PNG, to my desktop. Press Save. Let's minimize Photoshop, and let's open Adobe Express. I duplicated this document. You can do that by clicking on the Add button and then press Duplicate. Now I can delete the background photo and I can delete the top photo. I can drag and drop my new photo right into the design area and move my photo up here and then make it bigger and then drag my photo down to the bottom. And then I can make some of my words a little smaller or bigger. And that's how you incorporate Photoshop with Adobe Express.